All right, so today we decided that we are going to head up the coast to a town called Villajoyosa. And we don't know a whole lot about this town, but we just decided that it's a beautiful day out today and we might as well go check out the tram system, which is just right next to our place. So we're looking forward to checking it out.
We do know it's the chocolate capital of Spain, so we do know that. We know the tram goes there. We're not even really sure how to pronounce it, but that's where we're going, so we're pretty excited.
Yeah. All right, let's go.
Okay, so we made it to the tram station. Lucky for us, it's only 30 seconds away because we're running late. It's super easy to buy tickets here. Right, Carrie? She's trying to figure it out, but... Oh, I should have my mask on. Yeah.
Got it. $8.50 round trip for two people.
$8.50 round trip for two people. And we're only going an hour away. This tram takes you all the way 3 hours. 3 hours north, but we're only going an hour away.
Right.
Oh. Okay, we made it to La Vila. Cute little town so far. We're still walking down to the water. The tram lets you off in 3 different spots. We got off in the first one, and we walked about maybe half a mile down into town. So there's a little bit of confusion on which stop to take. So we just chose the first one. So it didn't take us to where we thought it was going to.
Brings you in a little more, maybe residential.
Yeah, we figured it out though.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, so we're just walking around now in this, just the upper area. We're not really even sure where we're at here. We just got off the train and started walking and just kind of were blown away by how beautiful these colored buildings are here. So we'll give you a little view of that. What'd you find?
Yeah, it's so heavy.
This is the Velour? How do you pronounce it? Velour?
Velour.
Velour store.
Velour.
Here, there's a factory here as well, but we're not sure if we're going to make it up there. So
Biggest
we come in
chocolate
here.
in Spain.
Yes, and it's the biggest factory here.
Biggest factory here.
Yeah.
We're not going to tour it though.
No, don't think so. All right, so we just came out of the Velour store.
The Velour chocolate factory store.
Yeah. So we each got ourselves a chocolate bar because we like different chocolate. He likes the, boring milk chocolate variety, and I like the nuts.
She likes nuts in her chocolate.
So
I'm gonna open mine right now.
give it a shot. Definitely cheaper here actually at the little shop than even getting at the grocery store, so that was nice.
So there's a factory here, and we're choosing to do this rather than go take the tour, because it's a guided tour of groups of people, and I don't want to do that, so I'm just going to do this instead.
He's just going to taste the chocolate and judge it that way. How is it?
It's really good.
It's really good?
Oh.
Is it better than the other, like, regular milk chocolate you're getting?
Mm-hmm.
It's like a Nestle.
It melts in your mouth.
Not in your hand. I
It
stole
melts
his
in your mouth
thunder.
and not in your hands. It's very tasty.
All right, so we definitely
One time?
recommend.
I did get peanut butter in my chocolate, and it was really good too. Try that sometime.
Ooh, we found the beach.
Okay, it didn't take us long to find a nice spot for a beverage. There's restaurants and bars all along the beach walk here. That's a long beach walk. It's pretty cool. Yeah, this is actually our second beer because I was super thirsty and we drank the first one so fast.
And the first ones were the small ones.
Yeah.
I think called Canna. I'm not sure, but
Yeah,
yeah.
I misunderstood. I said C. This is the second time we asked for the grandes.
Yeah.
But yeah, this place is fantastic. Yeah. If you know of someplace else that's just as cool along the coast here, leave a comment below and let us
Yeah.
know because we're ready to go somewhere else.
Absolutely.
Okay, so we made our way through La Villa. Nice little town. The beach was fantastic. All the bars and the restaurants along the walk were super cool, very nice. We made our way up into town, went to the Velour chocolate store, got some chocolate, delicious chocolate. We would recommend you doing the tour if you're into that sort of thing.
Yeah.
We just
Just not our
decided not
thing.
to.
Yeah.
But from what we understand, it's worth doing.
And it's free.
And it's free.
Yeah, it's a
which
free
is
tour.
Right up our alley.
And there's actually, I'll add, there's 3 chocolate factories here
Yes.
in this town. So that's just the biggest one. So it's the most popular one that people go and do.
And they're all free. I
No, I believe one you do pay for, but check that out. So
probably
we just
worth
know
it.
that the big one is a free one. You don't get chocolate, my understanding is through the walkthrough of the tour, but you do get some chocolate at the end. So that might be worth it for you.
So now we stop for our one last beer of the afternoon before we get back on the tram and head back to Alicante. We recommend you guys coming up here if you ever have the opportunity. Or even
Definitely.
staying. We kind of wish we could stay another night. But
Yeah, this would be a fantastic place to actually land for a little while. Nice
So-
chill vibe and honestly just super quiet. I know it's semi-off season, but from what we've heard and read, even in the off season, the beach is pretty
On
quiet.
season.
Or on season, the beach is actually really quiet and you don't struggle to find a place. Right now, you really don't struggle to find a place, and it is warm out. It was supposed to be in the high 60s, and it is in the, I would easily say 75. Yeah.
Carry
So
wore
it's
jeans.
Yeah, regretting that decision.
Anyway.
So, cheers.